3,000 stairs. Each one individually placed.
By Sherpas from the Himalaya.
That doesn't seem real, but here we are. Dude can't be stopped. These steps are getting big though. Oh boy.
The destination's a little on the left and a lot up.
Oh, we're almost there. Whoa!
Yeah, I thought this was the top from the pictures, but all that way to go.
Dude, there's a tiny little house down there. I got windbirds in my eyes. Ah! Yeah, I can use some skydiving goggles. Every step we go is just like more and more and more. Aaron's rules, don't take pictures till you're at the top. That's why his pictures are the best. And why my videos are like an hour and a half long. It's just walk and walk and walk and walk and walk. So much mountain. Mountain death edge.
Good work, Detective Jacob.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I pride myself in not finding them and then not walking off of them. Wow, the sun just came out. Ah, fake summit. Just when you think you made it. We got mountains on one side, nothing but blue ocean on the other side. We are right here in the middle, on that ridge. Parentally approved. Oh, what the heck? Oh, what the heck? Yeah!
Adam! Right here!
F.
오른쪽. Oh,
it's an A. Ah!
your best part.
I need that. I need that to get home. All right, there she is. I cut out right out. Right out of that video. I mean, I'm taking a video, so it really doesn't matter what you do. Sure. There's a little drone takeoff point. Going?
Oh yeah.
All right. It's a map. We got Mulde that way. Gosin, that's Trondheim Island. Whatever that is. Smula. Björnson's that island. Then we've got Midsuntrappen, Onna. That's one of those islands out there. Sandu, orten Harry Nordorena. Maybe one of those guys? I'm not really sure. And then Runde. We're on this way. That's a death edge. I got a heart of pure. Yeah, it's because it's made out of pure cast iron.
That's on death edge.
You found a death edge?
That is a death edge. It's a super death edge right here.
Yeah! I always like watching all the people taking pictures. It's like Ethan's out here on the mountain edge, and then all the other people are just like in their own mountain edges, screwing around.
I'm seriously considering some off-roading. You ready?
That's it. That's literally it.
Is it ready?
I think so. I'm gonna try it. There's some more down.
All right.
You think?
I don't know. Probably. You won't know for a while.
You don't think so?
I already ate it, so what does it taste like?
Tomato.
Hope that's okay. Well,
In for a penny, in for a pound. That's right.
well, we're gonna find out together, I guess.
Yeah.
That was probably dumb. Dude, I can't believe we found those.
I'm gonna get back to the car and like. Do not, under any circumstances, eat the cowbell. It is not good for you. You'll be pooping for days. Your stomach will hate you.
Is it? Oh, yep. Sure enough. This is nice. I like this portion. It's kind of rolling hill, very safe, and a death edge. But we are ignoring that side.
No. Aaron, you go back.
Oh my gosh. Where's the trail? No. Oh. We came up over this ridge. There's a whole nother view. Oh yeah. Whole nother view.
Worth it.
Maybe about a third. It's worth the view, though. Worth it.
I don't understand how this country's real. How anything here is real. We've got a bunch of tires here. Ugh, full of water. And that's their playground. These things are ginormous. Wait, can I make this one? Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, we did it! We did it! Oh no, he didn't make it!
Oh no!
Oh! Lead.
2, 1. Oh, and back. 1. Go. Dude, this is lit. Oh, you guys made it back.
This is a playground.
You got it though.
There we go. I don't think I made it high enough.
Yeah. Jump out, don't jump straight. Oh, I see where you're going.
I want to try that. Yeah, four's too high. Okay. Oh!
Grab it, grab it. Oh. Good, good, good. Hey! Good, looks good.
Oh, you want making that?
2, 1.
Got it, got it, got it, got it. Oh. Good, look good, look good. Oh, oh.
Nuts. Okay. But we're gonna cut through here.
Send, send, send. Yeah, yeah. Woo!
Hey Ethan, I found the Atlantic Ocean. Oh buddy, you need to get off the trail, you're gonna get hurt.
Here at this bridge, super cool bridge, but oh, that startled me. I hate every
videotaping?
yeah. All those
I
people.
don't know if we can fight these.
All those people down there.
Oh, there it
Terrible.
is.
Yeah, they gotta go. You're doing a great job. But what I would suggest would just get right down in the road.
Get right down there.
Get right down in the road. Right down. Pretty much road level. Get down on it in the road. Just go ahead and put it in the road. Oh no! Oh no! Look at that. That stinks. Bummer.
This is the walkway for tourists. Obviously we're not that. Yeah, probably. If you don't, I got it on video. If you don't, I'll get it on camera. Pretty jagged rocks down there. Nice. It's coming up. Rocks aren't wet.
What you got?
Nice.
Overstepped.